We're gonna create an inequality again, but ultimately they're talking about how much company A charges and how much company B charges. It's easier to set these up if you create expressions for each one separately first. And picking out the important information, it says that company A charges $83 and allows unlimited mileage. So if you are moving and you are only going to move down the block, this is probably not a great deal. Because if you're gonna drive 2 miles, you're gonna pay $83 no matter what. But if you're gonna drive 200 miles, you would still only pay $83. So this is a flat fee. Company A charges $83 no matter what. Okay, now company B, they have an initial fee of $65. So you're gonna pay $65 no matter what. But after that, they're gonna charge an additional fee of 90 cents every mile. So if you were only to drive 2 miles, you'd pay the $65, but then you'd also pay 90 cents and another 90 cents for the 2 miles. Okay, so this company, it's $65 no matter what, plus 90 cents every mile. So if I drive 3 miles, it's 90 cents times 3. If it's 10 miles, it's 90 cents times 10, and so on. Okay, then it says, for what mileage will company A, so when will this one charge less than company B? So if company A is the small one, the alligator wants to eat the big one. 83 is less than company B. Now I have my inequality set up, so I just need to finish solving it. I'm gonna move letters to one side, numbers to the other. So I'm gonna move the 65 to the other side. It's a positive 65, so I'm gonna subtract that. 83 minus 65 is 18. I'm gonna bring down the inequality symbol. So this less than symbol, I'm just bringing it down. When I subtract 65, I have this 0.95 m left. So I'm gonna bring that down. To finish getting m by itself, I'm gonna divide by the number next to it. So I'm gonna divide by 90 cents. What I do to one side, I do to the other. And 18 divided by 90 cents is 20. I divided by a positive number. So I'm gonna bring this inequality down. Remember, if you do multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, then the inequality flips over. And then the m is by itself. This answer is just fine, but if you really wanted to have your m on the other side, if I flip-flop these, I'm gonna put m over here, and I'm gonna put 20 over here. If you decide to flip-flop the right and the left, then instead of bringing this down, I'm gonna have to flip this over. So if you exchange the right and left sides, make sure you flip it. So